So I just got back from a snorkeling trip, and this handheld grip was kind of key. That I did a lot of underwater shooting, and that this kind of was the key. So I love too, it has this lanyard that you can attach to your arm, and you can make it tight so you won't lose anything. But also too, this floats, so I don't have to worry about losing my whole camera because I was silly and let go. But the other thing too, Neewer is one of my favorite brands for a computer, or for phone camera equipment. But I love too that this has a great like rubber grip, so you're gonna feel great on the side. But this also has a bunch of attachments. This also has a quick release too, so if you press both these buttons and you twist, it has a quick release, which is perfect for when you want to just quickly like kind of take your camera off and like do a photo shoot and do something else. But just in general, it's a really handy thing that this will be great for like if you're snorkeling, if you're playing around in the water, that this is great for like getting some video footage, being able to hold it in one place and shoot video. So if you're looking for a underwater handheld, this was also too, I took it in salt water and I didn't have any issues with it. So if you're looking for something, this is definitely what